We are here at Kunststofftechnik Borgmann in Bersenbruck. My name is Stefan Borgmann. I am the technical director. We manufacture various components here in 3 production halls on around 40 injection molding machines with clamping forces ranging from 28 to 1,000 tons for the automotive industry, among others. I saw this system at ENGEL in Schwertberg, had a look at it, and was very impressed. That's why we've now had it installed in this machine. The advantage is simply that I have a complete overview of every cooling circuit in the mold. I know what the temperature difference is for each circuit. I know the prevailing pressure per circuit and the prevailing flow rate. The big advantage is simply that I can set a temperature difference, a delta T, which is what I want as an operator. For example, 3 degrees from inlet flow to return. The e-flomo in conjunction with the e-temp and the IQ flow control ensures that the flow is only as high as needed to achieve this delta T. Energy can be saved because the temperature control units do not run at 100%, but adapt to the flow rate and temperature, and really only provide as much power as is actually required. This is a speed-controlled pump, and the e-temp device talks to the e-flomo, and the e-flomo tells the e-temp device how much flow it needs to reach the temperature that the operator has set. Accordingly, for example, the e-temp device adjusts its output from 100% to 60%. This naturally results in less maintenance, lower energy costs, and possibly also fewer temperature control units. The machine has been running with this system for about 2 years now. We have 1 temperature control unit on this machine for this entire mold. This temperature control unit runs at 70% instead of 100%. This gives us a very homogeneous temperature distribution in the mold, which in turn stabilizes the process. The part is very delicate, and the tolerances are very, very small. We're talking about plus minus 1.5 hundredths millimeters, and we can't afford large temperature differences.